In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Calendly with GoHighLevel. By the end, your Calendly bookings will flow directly into GoHighLevel, keeping everything in one place and saving you a lot of manual work. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head straight to your Launchpad. The Launchpad is your main starting area inside GoHighLevel, where you can quickly jump to the tools and settings you use most often. Make sure you're in the correct sub-account or location if you manage more than one, so you don't accidentally connect Calendly to the wrong place. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the Settings option. This is usually in the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Settings. This section is where you control how your account behaves behind the scenes, including all your integrations and calendar connections. Inside Settings, find and click on Integrations. The integrations page is where GoHighLevel connects to other platforms you use in your business, like email providers, phone systems, and in this case, your calendar and scheduling tools. Taking a moment to get familiar with this area can really help you later when you need to manage or troubleshoot connections. On the integrations page, look for the Google Calendar area and then click on the button that says Take Me There. This link takes you directly to the calendar connections page inside GoHighLevel. Think of this as the control center for any calendars you want to sync, whether it's Google, Outlook, or external tools like Calendly. And now that you're on the calendar connections screen, click on the Add New button. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to create a new calendar connection. If you already have other calendars connected, don't worry. Adding a new one here won't remove the existing ones. It simply adds Calendly as another source of events. After clicking Add New, you'll see a list of available options. Find Calendly in the list and click on Connect next to Calendly. This is the specific action that starts the process of linking your Calendly account with GoHighLevel. At this point, a Calendly login pop-up will appear. In that window, log into the Calendly account you want to connect with GoHighLevel. Make sure you choose the correct Calendly account if you have more than one. Once you've entered your details and confirmed the connection, Calendly will finish the authorization and the accounts will be linked. From here on, your Calendly bookings can be synced into GoHighLevel automatically, giving you